Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a two-part massive Dollar Tree haul. So if you're here for it, obviously keep on watching. I have a whole Dollar Tree playlist which is going to be linked down below the description box if you want to check out my past videos. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. Some might say too many. Every Sunday I upload a Dollar Tree haul, but if you're here for it, keep on watching. We did go shopping at DAISO, which is kind of like Miniso vibes. They have a lot of cutesy things. So I want to mention those things first now that we're here. I did end up picking up the LA Colors Mark and Line Felt Tip Eyeliner from the DAISO. And these look really nice. And like, I hope they're pigmented. I don't know if I've swatched it. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It's like a nice like neon blue kind of moment. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to try that out soon, girl. We also do have the Beauty Creations All About You pH Lip Oil in Strawberry Lovertini. I do own the purple one already. I actually used this earlier for a full face of Ioni Cosmetics for Dollar Tree. And I'm sorry if you hear the muffling. I'm sorry if it's strong, but it is hot in here, girl. So it has to happen. Hopefully it's not too distracting. Yeah, Beauty Creations, again, lip oil. This is so cute. I had to pick up this pink shade. It's just stunning, girl. So I did use this earlier. Again, it does come with a giant doe foot applicator, and it does have a pH adjustment or whatever, so it turns your lips pink. So this is so cute, and these smell good. They feel good on the lips, and they're also perfect to like throw in your bag and go. So love that. Another makeup item I have in here, actually, did I pick them up from DAISO? I think some things I picked up from DAISO and others I picked up from like a dollar store thing, kind of like a cool bargain place. Beauty Creations Plump Pout Plumping Gloss Stick. Yeah, they definitely don't have this at DAISO or the Beauty Creations. But this one here is in the shade Glazing for You. And I hadn't seen these little plumping things, so I decided to pick one up. And these are giving very much like the e.l.f., the Tarte Mojo, I don't know. They have some like similar products to this. I also did pick up one from e.l.f. recently, so you just kind of click and it moves up slowly but surely. Is this plumping? Yes, so it is plumping, so I'm not gonna swatch it because it's gonna mess with my skin, but girl, cannot wait to try that out either. So many goodies. Last like makeup-y kind of product from this like random store, we have the Italia Deluxe Stay High Hydrate and Setting Spray. Now if you guys know me, I don't do this. I don't judge you if you do, but I really love this line from Italia Deluxe, and so I'm like kind of torn because I'm like, do I talk about it, do I not? I don't know, but they came out with the setting spray, so I had to pick this up. I don't know how much this was. It doesn't have the price on it, but girl, you guys know I am a fool for their putty primer and their like hydrating primer. I just love them, so I had to pick up the setting spray as soon as I saw that they had this, girl. It looks so cute. Just look at the mister. So this does have hemp seed oil, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, refreshing, it's gripping, it's sealing. Yeah, cannot wait to try this out. Randomly kind of things, I picked up this My Melody accessory case at DAISO because they have a lot of the cutesy things you see on Temu. So if you want to see them in person or whatever, yeah, I think Temu, it might be a little cheaper, but girl, I have been seeing this on Temu for years now. I don't know how long I've been on Temu. I don't know, but it feels like an eternity. So I finally just picked this up. It looks so cute, like to have in your purse or whatever. And look, that is adorable. So I picked that up. I also saw the My Melody Cotton Swab Slim Case, which looks like that. This is so cute. They also did have a Hello Kitty version, but you know I needed the pink one. There's a look at that. My nails are actually from Temu as well, and they have a cute little Hello Kitty on them. There's a look at the little case. Looks like a really nice quality little plastic thing. It's actually bigger than I thought. So when I saw it in person, I was like, ooh, it's cute. Okay, so I picked that up. And lastly, from DAISO, we have the My Melody Kuromi zip top bag, and this is basically just to put like little gums in here or candy or whatever for my purse. So it just comes with a bunch of little bags in here. I'm not gonna open this because I don't want them to get all over the place, but I did pick up that as well. Let's get into the Dollar Tree things now. So we have one beauty product. We have the Be Pure Clean Beauty Lip Jelly, and this one here is in the shade Sandy. And I believe I actually purchased this before. I honestly don't remember, but I saw it again. I was like, girl, I don't remember if I got this one. So I picked it up. I love this packaging. I might have gotten a different shade last time. It looks so nice. Let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh, it's a really pretty color. Really cute. So this is a clean beauty for peace of mind, high shine with rich hydration, formulated with vitamin E, rose avocado, and raspberry oils. This smells amazing. It smells like chocolate. Okay, cute. Love. This is a little bit of a regret. This is a Disney Stitch Jumbo Jiggly. Why did I buy this? I don't know. This was $3 at Dollar Tree, girl. Why? It's like a little squishy Stitch, but he's not as squishy as I thought he was gonna be. So I'm kind of sad. And $3 is pretty high for just a little squishy thing. There's a look at Stitch. I mean, he's like jiggly. Yeah, he's not as squishy. It's just like a little jelly thing. This was more of a random thing. This is the Sure Fresh Arrangement Collation. It has a lot of weird words, girl. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong side. This is a Sure Fresh Storage Snack Little Bags. I'm actually looking at the right language. And it comes with 50 bags in here. It's just little zipper bags, and you just never know when you're going to need these. So I like to use these for, like, if I need to store little, like, pins or anything like that. So I like to I would like to keep these on hand, so that's why I ended up purchasing a little box of these. We have these Sophie hair clips. It comes with 2-piece. And here you get a pink and a light pink, and this was $125 at the Dollar Tree, and they look really nice. They feel strong, and I really like the little decor on it. It's so cute. Should I pop one on now? No, but look at it. Honestly, I always buy these things and I don't wear them. There's the light pink one. They're cute. So if you're like into hair clips, they have them at the Dollar Tree. Another hair thing that I think I purchased before, the Spa Luxury Professional Hairspray. This is a super hold for style and control, volume and body. I think I already have this, but I guess I picked it up again. This is a $125 at Dollar Tree. I also just picked up a couple other hair things in my last Dollar Tree haul. I did a full face of Ioni Cosmetics with a haul in it, so I did mention a couple of those products. So I did, I guess, buy another hairspray from the Dollar Tree. This is a random one. This is antibacterial hand wipes in the pomegranate little set. This is so cute, and I like to have these in my room. You just never know when you're gonna need one of these. So I went ahead and bought this little pack for $125, and it has a bunch of cute little like designs on there. Really cute and modern looking. I'm gonna put that over there. It fell. We have a hand sanitizer, antibacterial hand gel in jasmine scented. I like to have these little like ones with the hanger of different colors, just because I like to switch on my bags and stuff. So I wanted the blue one, so I ended up grabbing this as well, and these are actually really good. Another little storage thing, I got the crayon box from Jot Activity, and it comes with 24 count, fits in here, whatever. I don't color like that, girl, but I thought I can use this as a little like travel case. It just looks really cute and intriguing, so decided to pick one of these up. I was really tempted to grab a couple, but we'll see like what can fit in here in my purse or my backpack or whatever. I don't know. So we also have these here. These are the Be Pure Hydrogel Eye and Lip Mask, and these are the ones with the little watermelon picture on them. And you guys know, if you guys saw my empties video, I actually did use a couple of these before, and I really enjoy them. So I love that it comes with the lip and the eyes. It's just a perfect little combo, so I decided to pick these up again. And then I saw a bunch of new face masks at the Dollar Tree, so let's see if they're all together. Yeah, I don't need any more face masks. Why do I keep buying them? I don't know. These are all from Taste Beauty. We have the face mask. This is the hydrating donut scented face mask. It's the uplifting very berry scented face mask. We have two of the calming ice cream scented face mask. These are from, yeah, all of them are from the same brand, Taste Beauty. And lastly, these are the ones that caught my eye. These are the anti-stress gummy bear scented face masks. So I picked up a whole bunch of face masks. Now I have a whole collection. So then I picked up two of these. These are the Jot Magnetic Locker Mirror / Dry Erase boards. So this one here in pink is a little dry erase marker board, and I thought it was so cute. And we also got the one with the mirror, because I did actually buy a different one. don't know if it was pink or I don't know what color it was, but I actually did take it to work and it's very useful. So I decided, let's take another one. And I think I'm gonna take this one over there as well, so we can just use them for like the break room or whatever you need to write down any important notes, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these in the little bag, but I did go ahead and pick up 2 of those. We also have the 2025 monthly planner. It also goes up to 2026 because I was desperate need of a new planner. I don't know where my planners go. It's like planners for me are like socks. Like if you ever lose the other pair of your sock and you only have one, that's me with planners. Like they just, I don't know where I put them. So this is the Jot 2025 to 2026 planner, and it's a monthly page format, and it was $150 at Dollar Tree. So I thought this was so cute. They come in a couple other designs. I also picked up the Jot 2024 through 2025 because I need to start like planning out my videos again. So I bought that, and it is pink. I didn't see it with the pink little like thing, but I did see this purple one, so yeah, cute. So got this cute little like thing here. This is the multicolor crayon thing, and it comes with a bunch of little gummy bear things. Just a bunch of things, I don't know. It's like a little marker. It's so cute. I'm just gonna keep it in here. I'm actually just gonna keep my other planner in here as well for now. Lastly, for part 1, I also picked up 4 pieces of the Jot interlocking desk organizer. It comes with 5 pieces each. I picked up 4 sets because I do want to organize my makeup with these little things. If you guys saw my makeup collection videos, I completely forgot I could have just organized them with these in the moment with you guys, but I do have that as well. So I did pick up 4, but I'm just showing you one of them because why? We have like 3 sets of the little ones here, 1 long one, and I believe 1 big one on the bottom. So cute. That's it. Those were the last products from this part 1. Again, there's going to be a part 2, so definitely stick around, subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that. And of course, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.